moving on, I call a yen for so I'm not saying. There is something happening in the New Patriotic Party about Honorable Kennedy Japan, a free party nimu to join the base and right you who launch a course so near there na enyasem ketwa. Based on that, no, former NPP mechanism member Hobson Adoye wababe kasa HM say things that are happening in MPP right now no shows that MPP doesn't have any future as of 2028 because party no egu anasa by 2028 no na party nego. Now we're making one or two statements or blaming the former president Nana Adodankwe Akufo-Addo say he is the cause of what is happening in MPP right now, and right now ne the party no egu yengotie eye Hobson Adoye na yemra.
The base in the CNUanum.
But you wouldn't bensa.
Yeah, Nuanum. But you say United Party, a friend people nearby. Other the base friend people move. May say MPP a goo. Ya can't na Montiase. What I say? Enu 2028 na goo could you talk? What happened? May I say a goo?
But I didn't know who have it that mindset say NPP in goo.
Na say goo.
I didn't see.
Na nipa wouldn't have been a party more mine. I didn't know say Mawai. What I say? We need people who have good mindset for the nation. Then you go for the way you may you Tiana Coco DMPP manager say, well, only that you. That would need that. Me say, me come be true. MPP a good. But the car catcher must say, or mobile lose elections at was 4. And Ruth at no Nasa Ampany for ya or more year can say Cocotaco for in Ibiana or more baby up home. What you say? Nothing rantiano. Ghana for be consider that are UP for so the near baby ya can say or mine so never be this one never your mine MPP better baby on better than it is a CPP and so on again at any day hey Ghana youth support it. There should not be any occasion for the next 30 years you have man MPP the opportunity to come close to power. That's when we come with the passion and
I didn't know the passion I can't say some.
What do you think?
20 plus.
20 plus.
Yeah.
Me in 3 years time, na me a senior citizen. No, this 60 years. I didn't be on a show yazi. We know what did 20 plus no. So what more when you na ho? Now we can say MPP. It's up to you. What you say? Anya she, me a teacher by profession. Me try there 20 years and I'm in free classroom. I can say active politics. So on you know. Eti maye ni meti maye. Wona wo ba no. Wona akaw. What you say?
Hobson Adoye, former NPP member, and our chum said, the NT who say by 2028 na NPP amanyuko no eguno is the fact say Yeshimwa Alan Kwadwo Maintain was a very keen mechanism founding member of the New Patriotic Party. Yehu ya ne se watwe ne ho no so what the MPP for ni bi koye. Aside that no ama party no nchichemu ni ade aba wono kra we free mo with other people moving to support Alan Maintain. Aside that no say tete second day Japan so free mo the base and I wish mo chema two parties, two movement and a free MPP Moaba. That is the United Party led by Alan Kwadwo Maintain and the base movement and also no led by Dr. George Otibonsu in the name of Honorable Kennedy Japan and Ochema Osha ni nyina no miss management and as a misgovernance the former president Nana Adodankwe Akufo-Addo enunti sabre de o mine niama sese ni ade so he sees no reason why obi be sorry to prove maka say wokoto abade ama MPP anase wo support NPP amanyuko no ene de enya de a ebeboa inti by 2028 there I'm sure say we wouldn't see MPP as strong as we used to know Ghana hanum is saying. Still on the cases of MPP amanyuko no one person na NDC ba ban mu no he has seen a lot we hu bi pa onu hu nti sebe MPP mpanimfo akoda kwan mu ene ade onu nti yenya term wo krodwem a adan menye Ghana ni biem Ghana for Ghana for me cheche ma Wontumi yenyina nim ne pending case ekoso with ono any akunta mining and then the state. Now in some na transcend ya kwa kodru say Chema Wontumi the appeal ekodan appeal court say they should halt the case high court. Is say high court are calling say be file for the witnesses wo they defend ne ho court. Na no nam so high court court of appeal and so ababe making the judgment nsem ne ho nti wo hwemu o se Wontumi Samra boy case. Court of Appeal throws out Wontumi's request to halt his case at the High Court pending the challenge of the decision for him to open his defense. Into Omuchema, a Court of Appeal, Wontumi, the request that what they call is a High Court, no, and court train and some was about he opening the defense or be filing for the witnesses their names and other details about them no and more hot in the kakrano high court court of appeal aboegu now court of appeal aboegu ni there what remains and I said what is the fate of Wontumi now ebi chema from what is happening Wontumi is likely to be jailed and sentenced because at this point he should give up. Say court of appeal he has to go and continue with the case in there on to na dream because there is no the back and forth near there no they looks like he's not going to win this particular case na onsha ohun ni say enche or court prison anisa na so me no ka say lawyers are wo mo ejine mu de ama Chema Wontumi wo ma ba be cheche nsemu efa the halting request the court of appeal to halt the opening of the defense and the future implication of how ensem ebeko ede ama Chema Wontumi yenkotie lawyers nsema wo mo de tuja.
Your application have been refused.
Yes.
What do you make of it?
Yes, this is the ruling of the court. We applied for a stay as a repeat of the earlier one. The court does not agree with us, and the court says that the application for stay is refused, which means that indirectly two options: either repeat it or go back to the instant court to prepare our witness statements and continue the case and see the outcome of the case itself. So in a nutshell, this ruling brings us to the end at the Court of Appeal in respect of the application for stay.
Is there a decision to go up?
We'll have to go back to Chamber and look at the options, and then we'll let you know which line of action we'll take. For now, like I said, we are open to two lines of action. One is to go up to the Supreme Court, and the other is to go down to the High Court to continue the proceedings.
When you say either or, is it your point that filing of your witness statement is hinged on your decision whether to go to the Supreme Court or not?
Exactly. If we decide to go to the Supreme Court, we will then proceed to the Supreme Court and pursue the matter there. If we decide to go back to the High Court to continue the proceedings, so we do. So the options are open to us. So we'll go to the Chamber, discuss with our client, and then we'll consider the next line of action. Thank you. Answer.
Busia lawyer Apia Kubi wono ye emranimni a wogine mu de ama Chema Wontumi wo ye ne Samra boy case no between wono Wontumi no akonta mining ono ane company any the state. Now we sha na said they were trying to halt ensem na proceedings of the ongoing case na high court no, just so that say appeal court of appeal granted omo that opportunity na nko omo de court case no to hold na eno na ekopie mu court say court of appeal ampene so sa omo abo omo appeal no egua say the aba ne say they would go and continue the case and ebi no mu say it is good pa say court of appeal ebo case ni guye the same thing NAC here with regards to NSS deputy director no onu so ni case ni sa na buy onu so call for halting abra ka say open the defense they were using law and all that ebi no mu chema these are tactics sebe womo empempi no mu use say be ya omo be delay the proceeding of the case and the obe one say ya court of appeal grant ni a halt ni e call back and forth ye be hu an say NDC for efi aban mu na asem no ankodru ba bia enti at this point ni the money age pa say no the high court and then the court of appeal no who say the tactics of delayance usually used by these lawyers and their clients to delay cases no one form ho adwene say they won't give them that privilege to halt cases and then delay na ombe wan say omo afa omuti edidi mana so omanyo omuti edidi mu ne de ensi biom it's the case is long overdue omo be yan no omo sentence chema Wontumi am together with ne corporate omo kan ho a omo sentence omo ebi ko ebisem say if chema Wontumi really thinks he's innocent in all this that is happening now uncle file for any defense all man the witnesses emra mo medina dakam yen toto omo anom yen finalize on the case if you are innocent you go scot free if you are not so ana emra no anywhere dine say de tie na ya bre any back and forth was in same way so we are hoping say the lawyer Pia could be kan no they are going to sit down and then analyze things and move forward with the case no matter baby and some no or more ebekwa. But then for some Ghanaians they believe that this is the end of the road for Chema Wontumi. He is likely to be sentenced to go and serve some terms in prison with regards to Galamsey Hun Sensem. Now